And here's step by step I will show you how to fix Discord mic not working in your computer. First of all, right click on your speaker and click on sound settings, and in here under input device click on microphone, and here we can see audio options. So make sure to allow audio for apps and Windows to use this device for audio. After doing that, go back from here and make sure you have added your microphone here. So click on choose a device for speaking or recording, and here click on microphone and make sure your microphone connected and your microphone working perfectly. And here make sure your microphone is not muted. And now to test your microphone is working or not, click on start test, and here you can talk and you can check your microphone is working or not. And here we can see result 100% of total volume. Okay, after that go ahead and check the issue, and now again come to this system sound setting page, and here scroll down and click on more sound settings, and here select recording, and here you will find all of your recording sound system. Here you have to disable all recording or all microphones. Just allow or enable the exact microphone which microphone currently you are using. After that select the microphone and double click on the microphone you are using, and here the microphone properties will open. Here select advanced and make sure to check these two options here and click on apply. Okay. And here's another thing you have to do is again double click on your microphone, select general, and here device usage, click on this drop down, and here you have to select use this device enable. Okay. And after that we have to update our device drivers. So click on your search bar and type here device manager and open device manager control panel. Here you have to expand audio inputs and outputs, and here you will find your currently using input microphone. All you have to need, right click on your microphone and click on update driver, and here select search automatically for drivers and go ahead and make sure to update your input or microphone driver, and then go to your Discord and go to your Discord user settings, and in this left hand menu scroll down and click on voice and video, and here click on input device, and here you have to select default microphone, and then output device select your default output speaker, and here input volume make sure to select here 100%, and now click on let's check, and here you can check your microphone is working or not. And after that in this page scroll down again, and here you have to disable echo cancellation and disable automatic gain control, and scroll down here. After that go ahead and check the issue. If you're still having the same problem, then in this page scroll down all the way to the bottom and just click on reset voice settings. Once you successfully resetted your voice settings, your Discord will relaunch. Now again go to your user settings and again open voice and video and input device, select your microphone, and now go ahead and check the error. And after following all of these solutions, if you're still facing the same error, in this case you have to close your Discord app completely. So close your Discord and open your taskbar manager, and in this process list you have to find out your Discord. Just select Discord, and here you have to right click on Discord and click on end task, and that's how go ahead and completely exit your Discord on your computer. And after that relaunch your Discord and go ahead and now check your mic. Thanks for watching.